Hello guys, this is Gabi Tech, and today I will present you one browser that is very hyped up these days. This is Opera GX gaming browser, one extremely handy browser that actually I admit it looks beautiful, it's handy, and it's full with amazing features. I installed it on my computer. As you see, this is the head page. Here we have our sites, we have Twitch, Discord, Reddit, YouTube, changelog. Here we can add another site and you type the address to add it to Opera, and you can very fast and accessible go to your favorite site from here. From here you open a new page. Then you have that feature here called GX Corner, which is something amazing. It has a release calendar of all of the games that waits release. As you see, for example, 30th of April, Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 3 was released. Now we are in May, and here in May we will have the different games that will be released. Here we have our free games that you can get for free and play on your computer without any problems. New upcoming and interesting. Then you have the deals aggregator. You have Battlefield 1 with 70% discount for €6. Basically, you can get Battlefield and another games that are on very big discount right now, and you can get. Here you can choose you can choose operational system: Windows, Switch, PS, Xbox, Mac, and Linux. It depends where you want to play your game. Then we go here. Here we open new tab. Here we open new window. Then here we have page, zoom. Normally you're used to all of these features in normal browser to stay here in that corner. But in the Opera GX browser menu stays here, which is not that much of a problem. Here we have the snapshot. Very handy tool. Basically, you can capture your full screen and save the page as PDF. Here, you choose part of the screen that you can capture. You press capture, and here you can edit it. That's very handy because normally on your computer you need to especially use sniping to capture your screen. In Opera GX browser, you have just this feature, which is extremely good. For example, here you have you can play with it. You can add another picture to it. You can add stickers. For example, we add heart. You can plug it into camera to make selfie. Basically, you can create something like your own page with that just by snipe. For example, you snipe some picture from internet with this sniping tool, and you play with it. You can type something, for example, Opera GX. Basically, it's like a normal picture editor on your phone. It reminds me of this application Canva that I use for my thumbnails. Anything else here, you can write with it. Cool editing program. And you can do undo if you want something. Then we close it. For the free games, I was actually being super happy to find out that they have this where they show which games are free, because right now I'm collecting as much as games as I can so I can spend my time playing good games, and it's better if they're for free. And this deals aggregator, I found very good deal last week for the game Crisis. It was for €2 and I bought it. I know it's not a super modern game, but still for €2 it's totally worth it to get it. Here you have Twitch button. You can log into Twitch immediately without going through the system from the web page. And this feature is pretty amazing. Basically, this is a network limiter. Limit how much bandwidth Opera GX can use. You can turn it on from here, and you can choose how to limit your browser. This is very handy. Excuse me. This is very to use, for example, when you have multiple pages open, or when you don't want your browser to affect your gaming. You game something, you know that the frames are affected by the open pages on your computer. That's the case with Overwatch. I didn't gain the maximum frames because I was having a couple of pages open, and they of course took space from my RAM and my network and my CPU, and that's why the frames weren't the best performance ever. But in this case, this browser gives you the opportunity to limit how much RAM and how much CPU Opera GX can use at some point. If I just limited, I enable the network limiter, RAM limiter, you enable it from here. I can enable it to some speed. Right now it's on maximum. You can put the limit to be hard. Memory limit will not be exceeded. Basically, you just stop it there. Done. That's it. From here. And then you have the CPU limiter. You can turn all of these functions on if you want. From here, basically, if you want, for example, 7% to be limited, 2% and even less. Right now I don't use this feature, but if I'm gonna do more benchmarking, seeing how much FPS I can gain on a game, I'll totally open my pages in this browser so I can limit how much of CPU and RAM I will actually use, so it wouldn't affect that much. Like last time I was having like 5-6 pages on Firefox, on normal Opera through 3 and Google Chrome also, and that's what actually limited me with the frames, which made me extremely sad. Anyway, right now I will not limit it, but if you limit it, for example, on 55 and you put hard limit function on, there is absolutely no way for your browser to overcome this threshold. I turn off these functions for now. The network limiter also. You can give feedback and rate this feature if you want. I already done it because I really like it. Your history here, very handy. You can clean it pretty easily with just one clicking. Recently closed and today. So if you have something open that is very important and just by mistake it closed, you know, you can see everywhere you have been. I clean the history from here. You just press clear data. Done. Then we go into the settings. Into the settings, you have privacy protection, which you have block ads and surf the web up to 3 times faster. You can enable that feature. And you can block trackers. You can enable also that feature, which is extremely good. Then you can customize your browser the way you want. The primary color is orange, but if you're feeling more like happy and sunshiny today, you can do yellow or maybe pink. I really like the pink also. I think I will leave the pink. You have the tile animation. You can use if it none, hovercraft, slide out or blink. If you want to choose if the browser wants to have sounds, sometimes they're very annoying. Here you can control the volume. Typing sounds, sometimes it's very annoying when you hear that typing sounds when you type something on the search, but here you can remove them. GX corner in the sidebar for easier access and Twitch enabling feature. Basically, if I turn that off, the Twitch disappears. You can see. Wallpapers. You have different wallpapers that you can directly put from the browser. As you see, it shows mainly this one, which is the main one, but you can change into this one. This one, you can get more wallpapers if you want, or even your browser can be customized the same way as your desktop, which is, I don't know what to say. I really like these features, all of them. You can get more wallpapers if you want. There is black, some absolutely cool wallpapers. Then you have the appearance, font size, very small, medium, large, or very large. You can customize your font. Times New Roman is the main one, you know, but you can put something more girly and more beautiful. If you want, you can have standard, serif, sans serif, or fixed width font. Tiny, from tiny to huge. And another setting that we can see is the sidebar. You can make your sidebar by putting GX control, you know, Twitch. You can put Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram. Normally, like the normal Opera, you can put all of these except Twitch. You can put WhatsApp there, you can put Telegram there. Here you can also do the same, and it's very handy that you have this sidebar here. Then the search engine, you can use Google search, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Amazon, Bing, or Wikipedia. Of course, everybody likes Google search. Sometimes when I see Bing, I just close it. I feel like I can't cooperate with this. If you want, you can make Opera GX Gaming Browser your default browser, but since I have so many and I have different stuff installed on my browsers, I don't. You can begin fresh with start page or retain tabs from previous session. I normally use always the second function because it's more convenient for me. And basically we went through the settings from here. You can manage the lists and extensions. You can add sites that you want to be blocked. Here, that's the site block list. But that feature is stealing my heart, the GX corner. Like, I don't know which game even to get. I didn't know that so many games are free right now. I don't know how good they are, but if they are free, like, nothing free is bad. There's no free lunch after all. For example, there's one game called PC Simulator, like when you build your own PC. Since I don't have many parts, I feel like I would just choose a simulator. Have you played any of these games? Guys, what do you think? Or what do you think about the gaming browser at all? Do you like it? Have you tried it? Would you like to install it and try it? Here is the extension panel. And you see Opera ad blocker is actually enabled right now. And basically, this is pretty much what is it about. I changed the wallpaper, as you can notice. It looks pretty cool, but I think I'll put another one. The settings. Maybe this one. This one looks very beautiful. I changed the color into pink. You close this. Wow. This is unique browser. You can't say that it's something mainstream like all of the browsers that we know. It's beautiful. It's beautiful that you can customize it the way you want, that you can put at your sites here, your bookmarks here very fast. You can add your bookmarks also from previous browsers, by the way. Here you have your Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and other stuff, your bookmarks. Here you can press and you can add your bookmarks from previous browsers, from another, for example, you can add your Chrome bookmarks or other browser bookmarks. It's pretty basic to use, nicely designed, and the only feature that people still can get used to it is that here is the corner that you do new tab, new window, and snapshot history and all of this stuff. The snapshot feature is totally on my heart, like the GX corner also. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this review. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and you can write in the comment section what do you think about this browser. Thank you very much.